Let us see example 14, and it is find the sum of two n terms of the series. And the series which is given is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 6 plus 5 minus 10 plus 7 minus 14 plus so on. Till date, the examples which we did were the examples of sum of n terms, but in this example it is written sum of two n terms. So it is but obvious that this example is somewhat different. Let us see. What we can do is, can we write the above series in this way? That is, I am just taking the positive value. So 1 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 7 and 7 plus so on. So I took the value as 1 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 7 and it is so on. In the same way, we are going to take the negative values. So it is minus 2 minus 6, minus 6 minus 10, minus 10, minus 10 minus 14 and so on. I hope you understood we changed the series as per our convenience. So what we can do is, this is our first series and obviously this is our second series. Now as it is said to find the sum of two n terms, can we make it like this? Can we find sum of n terms of this series and can we find sum of n terms of this series, and can we write it as n plus n as 2n? Yes, we can. Okay, so let us find the nth term of the first series and let us find the nth term of the second series. So the first series is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on. If we judge properly, we can get the value of a as 1, and what is a? A is nothing but it is the first term, and if we check the difference, 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, so obviously the difference is 2. And as it is said, sum of n terms, we are going to use the formula of Sn, that is n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know the value of a and we know the value of d. So we are just going to keep the value as n upon 2, 2a, that is 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d, and d is 2. In the next step, n upon 2 as it is, and 2 into 1 is 2, but if we multiply 2 here, it will be 2n and it will be 2. This plus 2 and this minus 2 will be cancelled. So remaining term is going to come as it is n upon 2 and it will be 2n. Again 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so it will be n into n. So answer is going to come as n square. I hope you understood the sum of n terms of the first series. Let us see the sum of n terms of the second series, and the second series was minus 2, minus 6, minus 10, minus 14, minus and so on. If we judge properly, you will find the value of a as minus 2. Now please try to understand what will be the value of d. So how can we find the value of d? We can find the value in d as minus 6 minus of minus 2. So this will be minus 6 plus 2. So answer is going to come as minus 4. Let us check again. Let us take these two values, minus 10 and minus 6. So it is minus 10 minus of minus 6. So it will be minus 10 plus 6. So answer is going to come as minus 4. As the common difference is coming same, we will judge that the value of D is taken as minus 4. And we are going to find the value of sum of n terms. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 and 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If we keep all these values in the formula, that is a is minus 2 and d is minus 4, it will be n upon 2, 2 into minus 2 plus n minus 1, d is minus 4. Now 2 into 2 is going to come as minus 4, and if I multiply minus 4 over here, so it is minus 4n and it will be plus 4. Minus 4 and plus 4 will be cancelled, so remaining will be only minus 4n. So it will be n upon 2 minus 4n. It is but obvious that this will be somewhat cancelled. So the remaining answer, or we can say that the sum of n terms of a second series, answer is going to come as minus 2n square. Now, as I said, it was said in the example to find the sum of 2n terms. That's why we bifurcated the first series and the second series, and we found the sum of n terms, and we found the sum of n terms of second series, and we can write it as n plus n equal to 2n. So let us find in this way, that is, sum of 2n terms of the series means sum of first series and second series. So Sn is equal to n square minus 2n square. What is n square? This is the first series, that is sum of n terms of the first series, and but obvious it is the sum of second series, and we are going to get answer as minus n square. I hope you understood example 14. It is important example.